What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. I know I am, because today we're getting back to some F-150 modifications. So today we're going to be installing an AWE exhaust system. This is a catback exhaust system that is a rear exit, so behind the rear tire, not like the Corsas or the MBRPs or anything like that. So this is going to be a full-length catback system. Before we go and get into that, though, I do want to thank AWE Exhaust, Alfonso at AWE Exhaust, and Jay at JFAT Performance for hooking me up with this and giving me this opportunity to do this. They're going to have my truck in their booth. AWE Exhaust is going to have my truck in their booth at the Keystone Big Show coming up here in March to showcase this exhaust system on a single cab F-150. So I want to thank them for giving me this opportunity to do this with them. Now let's go ahead and get to the actual system itself. So this is basically just a pure bolt-on catback system. This system is going to use the stock hanger positions, so there's not going to be any weird hangers that you have to do. I know if some of y'all follow me, I've been through a couple exhaust systems, so I've had the Corsa. It was way too loud for me. I did a video on that, and I'll go ahead and link that below, just because that's going to have the exhaust removal, which I'm not going to do in this video since I've done it already in a previous video. And then I've also tried the stainless works. Both of those were too loud for me, so I went back to a stock catback system. So I'm hoping that this system is kind of what I'm looking for, something that can give it a little bit of rumble, but not be stupid crazy loud. I went ahead and did some research and was trying to find some audio of this system on a truck that had headers, but I was not able to find anything out there. So I don't know what this sounds like with headers, and that's kind of the key, is that once you go with headers, everything gets substantially louder, even if you have cats, which I do on my truck. So that is kind of the issue. With stock manifolds, they sound great. Once you do headers, it gets, to me, obnoxiously loud. So this system is going to be a couple pieces. We're going to have our collector flange that goes onto the Y pipe. We're going to have our mid pipe with our muffler. So this is going to have a 180 technology by AWE that's supposed to prevent droning. So hopefully that does achieve that, and I'm kind of crossing my fingers that this system works out. Then we have our tailpipe assembly, or Y, where our tips go onto. So they have both black, which is what I chose, and they have polish. So you have your choice of whatever tips you want to go. Then they provide all the clamps that you're going to need. But again, everything on here as far as all the hanger positions are going to be in the stock hanger location. So it should be just a simple bolt-on application. So again, we're going to go ahead and jump onto this. I'm going to remove the exhaust. I'm not going to show any of that because I've already done it 5,000 times and I've got video on that. I'll go ahead and pin that below in the Corsa exhaust system video that I have. So let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, guys, so we got the stock exhaust system off. Took me about a minute because I've done this 5,000 times, unfortunately. But as you can see, you can remove it in one piece. I didn't take it apart. I unbolted it at the Y-pipe flange, and then the only thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to unbolt this hanger that goes onto the frame rail. This will be easier to unbolt, and then the rest of the system will pop out the rest of the hangers, so it's not that difficult. So unbolt this, system slides out, maneuver it around. It does help if you're on a lift. If you're on the ground, probably not going to be able to do it like this. But I do have access to a lift in my shop. So that hanger is the one that goes right here. So you can see my collectors for my Y pipe and the hanger is right there. So that's the hanger you're going to want to do. The one in the rear, leave in, and that one, leave in. We're going to reuse all these hangers for this AWE exhaust system. So let's get this thing installed. All right, guys, so it has been about a week or two since I recorded the intro. So in the box that AWE sent me, they actually sent me the incorrect connection piece for the collector for the Y pipe. So what they sent me was a ball, but I needed a flange because they did change these 24 and up connection on the Y pipe. So they told me that they are going to have this fix in their package in 30 days. So this fix is going to be in the box too. So here is the one that they sent me. As you can see, it's a ball type. What I needed was the flange type, so they went ahead and made this for me, got it all welded up, bent, so everything is correct. So this is the piece that y'all are gonna start getting in these kits. So this is the correct piece. So I've already test fitted this. This fits to my collector, so everything's gonna work out. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed real quick and then give you a before and after for the audio. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is gonna get the pipe that goes to the collector. So in here, it shows this to be turned to where the bend is out, if y'all can see that. So the bend is in this way. So we're gonna get this in here, get the bolts in the collector connection, and then get it loosely bolted up. All right, and then once you get that bolted in where you can move it, then we can move on to the next connection. All right, so for the next part, we're gonna go ahead and get the mid pipe installed with the muffler. So you have this hanger that goes onto the frame that I removed with the stock exhaust. It's just easier to remove this. So just get that and take it off the stock exhaust, and then go ahead and slide it on to the hanger on here. And then we're gonna go ahead and slide this entire thing up into the hanger that's up here. And then we're gonna bolt the other hanger down here while we're slipping it into the pipe for the exhaust system. All right, so once you get that pretty much on, make sure you have your band clamp already on there so we can bolt this down. We're gonna go ahead and get this loosely bolted up. So get your two bolts, both 10 millimeter. All right, so we've got that all pretty much in there and loose. So the next thing we're gonna do is get the rear section put in. All right guys, so for the next part, we're gonna go ahead and get the rear tail section installed. It's gonna go onto the back of the mid pipe that has the muffler on there. So make sure you get your band clamp, put it on there. I removed my rear mount, slid it on to the pipe hanger, put a little grease on there just to make it a little bit easier. So we can go ahead and throw this up, bolt up the hanger onto the truck. Now we're going to get the clamp and just snug it down a bit. All right, so that's still loose, so you can move everything. So we can straighten it up once we get done. So next part, we can go ahead and get the Y for the tips, and then the tips last, and then we'll align everything and bolt everything down from front to back and make sure everything is aligned. All right, the next part is going to be the tips. I did black for mine, so you're going to have the AWE symbol up, and so then they're going to be slash cut this way. And then you're going to want to get them right at the edge, so about right there. All right, so we got that bolted down, and now we're just going to go down the line with the rest of these clamps and get these torqued down. And then once we get to the rear, I'll put it on the ground again to see the level of the tips, and then I'll get those adjusted on the ground. All right, now that those are all torqued down, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to get this thing on the ground, get this thing straightened out for the tips, get them aligned, and then we'll start this bad boy up. All right, guys, so we got the exhaust tightened down, and I've got the tips leveled out, so everything is nice and straight. And that's pretty much it. So there's your ground clearance from that rear pipe, and everything just hooks back up to the stock location. So it's a very easy job to do. Not too much work, just remove the stock exhaust, throw this one on, get everything lined up, and bing, bang, boom, you're done. So let's go ahead and get this thing started up and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for our new AWE exhaust system. So this system you can pick up from AWE. It is available. Like I said, they are going to have that piece in the new kits, so that will be fixed for 24 and up plus trucks. Honestly, I don't think it sounds that bad. It's got a nice rumble to it. It's not overly loud. It doesn't sound like a Coyote, if that makes any sense, but like all the Mustangs out there that do muffler deletes. But so that'll go ahead and wrap it up for this AWE exhaust install. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Again, this truck's going to be at the Keystone Automotive Show here in a week or two. So go ahead and check that out. I might do a live cast from there depending on how much time I have. Again, it's like sort of like PRI. So it's got a lot of cool new products that are coming out for all sorts of automotive things. So if you would, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell, share this out to everyone, and we'll check you on the next one.